Hey loves, thanks so much for tuning in. It's your girl CHANELLENOVOSEY. I am just popping in with a really quick video to check in on you all and just give you some good positive energy. It is Sunday and this video probably will be uploaded kind of late, but I just wanted to send you some positive vibes. I hope you all are doing well. It's been a while since I've been uploading. It has been a very inconsistent year for me on YouTube, and I do apologize. Some things are just out of your control sometimes. And I have been working on myself and just trying to be centered and whole. And so I just wanted to share a message today that I felt in my spirit needed to be said on my YouTube channel. I was in church a few weeks ago and I just felt that the Lord was telling me I needed to share this message of connecting to the source, which is God. And if you are depressed, if you are going through anything in life, I just want to encourage you to connect to the source, which is God, which is light, which is abundance, to center yourself, to learn how to breathe and to relax. I have been practicing deep breathing and meditation in the last few weeks, and it has done me so much justice. I feel a lot more calmer and relaxed when I just take a moment, take a deep breath in, and I just feel my body starting to relax. We take short spurts of breaths quite frequently just throughout our day. We forget to breathe. So it is so important to just take a deep breath, get centered, and it just helps so much. There's a lot going on, and I understand and I know it. I'm going through a few things in my own personal life, which I haven't talked about on my YouTube channel. But I also just want to spread some beautiful positive energy to you guys too, and give you some resources, and hope that you all are doing well. You know, I was in church and God gave me that message, and he was saying that if you have a business that you want to prosper, your relationship, your own self, whatever it is that you're going through, connect to the source. Connect to the source. You know, and that was what he kept putting in my spirit. In order for your business to be well, to be good, it may have slow seasons, but you have to connect to God. I don't know how things happen for me in life when it comes to being favored and being blessed, but one thing I do know is that it is from, you know, my connection to God. And it's nothing that I have done. It's just all him. It's his blessings. You know, he is just so good and so amazing. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. If you are going through anything and you're like, Chanelle, I am connected to God. I go to church, I pray, I do feel a connection to God. Maybe just center yourself, center your energy. Just remove all the expectations off of what you want in your life, and maybe things will begin to unfold, and just relax a little bit. Get yourself back to where you used to be. Work on yourself. You guys know me if you've been watching my channel for a while. I'm huge on what is it called? I'm really big on self-improvement. I'm huge on making sure like I'm a better human being. I have a philosophy in my mind. If I can take care of me, then I won't become someone else's burden. And so, yes, it's true that we all need people, but let's take care of ourselves. Heal your hearts. Don't run away from your issues. Go get help if you need it. Speak with someone. Talk to someone. Go seek a therapist. That is okay. I myself have been in therapy plenty of times for the things that I've been through in my life, and I will go back. I actually want to go back sometime soon just to be able to get a better mental health. But in the meantime, I have been working on, again, breathing, meditations, getting still, listening to my instincts, and just listening to myself, asking for what I want out of life, and it has been life-changing. I've been doing affirmations, which have been great. I've learned how to slow down when I'm speaking so that my message can be conveyed and I can be sure of what I am trying to say and get my wording together instead of just, you know, throwing everything out that comes to my mind. I can get very anxious at times, and so I've been learning just to calm down, relax, take a deep breath, and just walk in my authenticity and who I really am. I wanted this message to be kind of short, so I'm not going to talk for too long. I just wanted to stop by and drop that, okay? So I hope that you all are doing well. I'll put in the description box some books, some videos that I've been watching. If you guys want them, let me just say that. If you want them, let me know in the comment section and I'll provide them for you. If you want more videos like this and how my journey is going, let me know. I can also do more videos like this, which I do want to do. I think if I talk more on YouTube and just spread my message and you know, let God use me and me connect to you guys, because I really do strongly believe that's something I need to start back doing. Let me know if you would like that. I would love that. I love connecting and speaking with you guys. Thank you for over 78,000 subscribers. It has been an amazing journey. I'm super blessed and thankful. I hope you all are doing amazing. If you have anything that you're going through, I just pray for you all. I will continue to keep you all in my prayers. Drop any comments that you want down below. If you guys need to reach out to me, I'm always on Instagram at CHANELLENOVOSEY. You can also like my Facebook page. I also do speak with some of my subscribers and viewers on Facebook as well, but more so Instagram. So I hope that this message comes to you, giving you hope, giving you joy. I also have been journaling. That has been amazing for me. Mental health is so important, and I hope that you guys are doing amazing. Okay? Make sure you take care of yourself. Make sure you're expressing who you are, whether it be through a journal or with a close family member or friend. If you need any resources for any help programs, any outreaches, let me know. I would love to help. Also, sometimes it helps to get our focus off of ourselves and to go help someone else who is in need. I am going to be volunteering a lot more here in Atlanta starting next week. If you guys need a website to join a volunteer group, let me know. I have some resources that I have been pulling together down in the description box. Oftentimes when we take our eyes off of ourselves and see other people in need and help them, it helps us to become less stressful, less anxious, less self-absorbed. I pray that you all are doing well. I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video. Thank you for being patient with me. I will have a DIY uploaded early this week. So thank you guys so much for rocking with me. You guys are the best. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I am CHANELLENOVOSEY. I do DIYs and sometimes get to know me's like this. Hope you all are doing well again. Make sure that you are subscribed and please give this video a thumbs up. Also share it on your social media platforms. That is amazing. It makes me feel great to see that messages like this can be shared with other individuals, because there's a lot of people going through a lot in life right now. So I've talked too much already. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Have a beautiful day. I'll see you all later. Love, light, and blessings.